All designed by Volvo. We provide the operating system, which is sort of the framework that Volvo can take and design their own software out of. And then we also have Google Maps. We have Google Play Store for apps. And then we have Gemini. So Gemini is going to be the upgraded assistant, which we have today in production. We have Google Assistant. So this will be coming later this year. So we can kick it off with Gemini. Just to note, this is pre-release software, so you might see some stability things.
Right.
We hope to iron that out by the time it hits production, which should be end of the year. Yeah.
Probably preferable.
Can you find some fun things to do with kids around here? Sort of like you were saying, where you have to prescribe what to say. With Gemini, it's just natural conversation, as if you're talking to somebody. What time does Magical Bridge Playground close?
Magical Bridge Playground is open 24 hours. It's located at 3700 Middlefield Road in Palo Alto.
To talk here.
The phone number is 650-5382.
Great, let's navigate there. Another cool thing you can figure out, if you want to stop for tacos along the way, you can just ask Gemini. Can you find some good taco places along the way? Yeah, so Gemini is connected to all the, I think, 250 million plus points of interest around the world. So you can quickly get to any location. Great, let's go to paper plates. Yeah, another cool thing that we've added in Google Maps is the ability to see charging stations. So you can see charging stations as well as availability.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Directly in Maps.
Yeah.
You don't need to fumble with all the different apps and look for that. You can also do things specific to the vehicle. I think Praveen was talking about the difference between the projected experience and this Google built-in is you can do things like turn on the defrosters.
Sure, turning on the defroster.
So any type of HVAC. We've also fed in the user manual. So, you know, the big book you're going to get. Just a pain to read through, but has everything you need to know. We fed it into Gemini, so you can do things like, what does that blue light in the charging port mean?
A solid blue light means charging is scheduled. The charging port light shows the charging cycle status. More details are in the instrument panel and center display.
Yeah, so anything you need to know about the car, Gemini knows. We've also seen a lot of demand for apps in the car. So this is sort of like similar to your smartphone, you'll have an app grid.
Yeah.
And then you'll have a store here. So store, we've got several hundred apps. We just brought what we call car compatible apps to Volvo with very big names, Fubo, AMC. We've got a lot of big games in here. And basically what we've done is we've built an adaptive layer within Android Automotive OS to basically allow these apps to run straight from tablet in the car. So these developers wouldn't need to do too much effort to get their apps in the car.
Yeah.
One of these apps is Farm Heroes. As you can see, we've integrated with Play Game Services as well. So your state from your tablet, for example, if you're playing Farm Heroes, you can transfer it directly into your car. And these are all available as parked and passenger apps. Depending on the OEM, if they want the passenger to play or not. But these are mostly parked. We've got another feature that we're building here. So this is a sample video app. So let's say you're watching a video or maybe a video podcast while you're parked and then you want to start driving. The general experience today in production is the video's stopped, right? It's not safe to be watching it. But we have a simulation here of driving. So the new feature is that will allow a user to continue playing the video and they'll get video controls. The name is a little bit different, but since it's a sample app, but imagine you can still listen to your podcast, you can still seek it, you can pause, play, go to the next track while you're driving. And then when you park, so let's say I park, I can exit that and then continue.
It goes back to...
You have this seamless experience with whatever app you're using.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.